Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry dahi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of gram flour, also known as besan. For aromatics, prepare 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and about 1 inch of fresh ginger. Don't forget your spices, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and a few fresh curry leaves on hand. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add a half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for about 30 seconds. Next, add your chopped onions, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté these until the onions turn translucent and soft. Then, stir in your turmeric, cumin, and coriander powders, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. This step is crucial for a smooth curry. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 1 cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of gram flour until there are no lumps. Slowly pour this yogurt mixture into the pan with the sautéed spices, stirring continuously to prevent curdling. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens nicely. Almost done. Just before serving, stir in a few fresh curry leaves and season with salt to your taste. If you like, you can also add a pinch of garam masala for extra flavor. Garnish your delicious curry dahi with freshly chopped cilantro. Serve it hot alongside steamed rice or your favorite flatbread. This comforting and tangy dish is perfect for any meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.